We're waiting in line for the car wash. It says 3 minutes from here. Hi Catherine. Hello Picasso. Waiting for the works. We're doing a tenner wash today. How exciting. Hiya. Hey Martin, how you doing? 3 minutes apparently, according to the signs. 3 minutes to the excitement of the car wash. Hey Heigl, how you doing? It's a pretty grey day here. Look, I'll turn it around as you can see. Oh, grey skies, no snow, not yet. Not like you've got in New York. Hi, Lulu. Hello darling, how are you? Lulu lives just down the road that way, in Herne Bay. How are you, sweetie? You having a good day? Hey, Claudette. How's London? You're in London at the moment, aren't you, Claudette? Hey, Martin. Hi, guys. I hope you're having a lovely Saturday, wherever you are. We've got no snow. Oh, no, really, Lou? I'll DM you later on. Oh. Lots of love to you, Lou. Hey Martin. It is great as usual. Mind you, it's been blue the last couple of days. At the car wash, yeah, we've got 3 minutes till all the excitement. Thank you. Hey Texas, how you doing? Nisi, is that right? I'm in the queue for the car wash. Hey Loki, how you doing? So there's another 2 cars in front of me at the moment. It would freeze right away, you're right. Nisi, I said it right. Oh, good. You can't wait. They're a little bit scary, that's why I'm quite keen to have lots of people here. They're not really that scary. They used to freak me out when I was a kid. Have I really had my car washed 4 times to your one wash? You must have, either you don't, maybe you don't drive very far, or maybe you've got a good coloured car, but on a black car you see all the mud. Oh, you're just getting up and having morning coffee. Ah, okay. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon here on Saturday, so enjoy your Saturday. Coffee would be good actually. I quite need a coffee right now. So I hope you're having a nice weekend. I know they were saying there's so much snow in New York and in America. I'd be like, oh, I'd be so excited. I bet it's causing chaos though on the roads and things. You just prefer it filthy. Do people write on it, Martin? Please clean me. If my wife was... Oh no, I don't know what they are. I think the best one I saw was on the back of a car and it just said help. It was so filthy. So you're listening to the lovely sounds of Radio 1, cleaned by the NHS. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. Ah, okay, you're in Detroit. You didn't get any, but there are towns that are shut down. Ah. Yeah, I suppose it's alright for maybe a couple of days or whatever, but it's just when you'll be back for the wash. It won't be long, a couple of minutes. I guess the problem starts when you can't get supplies into towns and things, and you can't get... It's the old elderly, isn't it? It's difficult. Elderly people, disabled people. It's harder for them because they can't get out and about so much. Or if they need medical attention, that's the difficult thing. So we're behind a Skoda Yeti. Here we go. So it's the ultimate wax, shine and finish, year-round protection, plus the Works Extreme. I don't know what that means. Oh, and a Pro Shield polymer sealant for advanced paint protection and finish. It's silver, is it? Under all of that dirt. Oh, thanks, Claudette. Thanks for sharing. You get the personal attention first of people cleaning your wheels and your windscreen. Yeah, that's true. That would be good. Snowplows have to go out in emergency vehicles. Do you know we've got probably about one snowplow in Kent? It's ridiculous. And they grit the roads sort of after the ice has come. We're not very well prepared down here. It's the bit where I have to concentrate. Do as the man says and only go so far forward, otherwise you get into trouble. Here we go. Hey, yeah, can I have a £10 one, please?
Yeah, thank
you. Cheers. It's not fun when it snows. No one wants to break into a filthy car. Is that true? Yeah, it probably is true, isn't it? Oh, maybe I shouldn't wash it so much. Be security. Oh, windscreen wipers have gone on. They're gone. So they've soaped up the car in front. Look. There you go. And now they. A £10 note, yes. Oh, in London. Ah, okay. Oh, it's spraying a foam gun at me. Oh, God. Oh, it wants me to move forward. Hold on a minute. I've done it right. Stop there. There we go. I can't see the sign. Is it? What do you do with an engine, the keyless ignition vehicles? Let me see. Switch off the engine. Oh no, so I don't need to switch the engine off. Ah! Oh, it's a company car. Ah, fair enough. Not yet. They're still just scrubbing the windscreen. Do you want to see? Right. There you go. There's a nice man cleaning the windscreen. Turn it round again. I don't think I'm filming them. Ah! Oh, move forward. There we go. I've got to go on the thingy. Brakes off. Am I on? Oh, first time. Look at that. Awesome driving. Oh, he smiled. Look at that. There we are. So, handbrake off, engine on, and away we go. Not one of those topless ones, no. Not those singing ones either. They don't sing at you here. Let me turn it round. Yeah, they've got to be careful about their wastewater. Here we go. Oh. Blue. They colour it blue for some reason. It's blue and pink. The foam. Look at that. Phone's getting washed. So they can charge more, yeah, you're probably right. That would be eaten by a big octopus. theory is they're all the same actually, you just pay. It just makes you feel better from paying more money. Yeah, that's it, you go through handbrake turn into the bay. A tenner, yeah. It's cheaper than Blackpool. This is a bit that freaks me out. It's cheaper than the fare, yeah, it is with my kids. They want to go on everything. So yeah, this is the one that comes right down to your bonnet and it's let's go. Hey, how you doing? You alright, Flatfish? I did remember your name and now I've forgotten it again because I'm rubbish. Oscar Roger, hello. Yeah, it's a rubber aerial, so I don't take it off. It's one of those little ones. Oh my god. Please raise before my car hits it. Oh, yay! It's a tunnel of love. Ah, oh, roll my windows up, of course. I wondered why I was getting wet. I thought they'd do the inside at the same time. Don't break, okay. That's it. I will remember it. I will make the effort to remember it. I'm rubbish. Spaghetti. I don't know, these are kind of like, they're all soft and fuzzy, so it's a bit like getting a big hug from a furry octopus. Ah. There we go. Lovely pubic hair hug. That's it. I think when the green light comes on or my windscreen is level with this box, I can go. So that means I can go now. Hooray! There we go, green light's on. Brilliant. All done. Nice clean car. So that's it. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to end the scoop now, so I'll see you later because I've got to go and do some shopping. Very exciting.